artificial intelligence race is reaching a new level this morning.
Deletions, printed it out. We got collections, student loans. Someone just posted online that if someone says you could delete a student loan, don't believe them. But yet here it is, deleted.
Week I deleted for Experian deleted all my hard inquiries.
And so far, just with personal information, it's gone up about 100 points.
This was a 30-day update.
That's a 30-day update. Okay.
30-day update.
What, is that saying 39 accounts deleted?
39.
I think I need my glasses because I'm not seeing it correctly.
Crazy, bro. Listen, watch an ebook like 3 or 4 months ago, bro. You know, I read your entire ebook. Immediately, man, I start implementing the steps. I start reading the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, Truth in Lending. Like, I got a couple lawsuits going right now and everything. Started out with my wife, fam. I started out deleting my wife's personal information first, right? I deleted all her personal information, and then I sent in a letter stating 15 USC 1681 C2, the block of information resulting from identity theft. I went through all the steps, 1681, and I deleted my wife information like that. I deleted credit card accounts, auto loans. I deleted pretty much everything, man.
Out of all the credit repair experts, he's the one that goes really deep into consumer law. He's helped me remove collections.
He's helping people get financially free. Due to the fact that I updated my personal information, it was a collection that automatically dropped off due to the fact that I followed the first steps. Don't jump. I remember from last week, my mentor's words was, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon, take your time. So this week, update status of this week. By the way, guys, gang, listen up. Flashcards, it works. It works wonders. These questions is a beautiful thing. Now, BA Mortgage, I ran back last year. I called them to delete the hard inquiry off.
When it comes to actually removing stuff off your credit report, he knows what he's doing. So don't be afraid, give it a try, and get in the program.
Late payments, there you go. That's what you
I
wanted
thought
to
they
see.
said we couldn't delete late payments.
But no, say that right there, delete it.